Hello everyone. In last video we have learned that basic types of decimals. In this video we are going to learn comparison of decimals, how to arrange the decimals in ascending and descending order, and then addition and subtraction of decimals. Okay, so let us start from comparison of decimals. So let us take some examples. Example number 1, 24.68. We have to compare that with 23.89. Okay, so while comparing the decimal numbers, just we have to follow that some rules. If the whole number part is greater than another whole number part, so first we have to compare the whole number parts. In last video we have discussed about such types of parts of decimal numbers. So here 24 is the whole number part and here 23 is the whole number part. So here which decimal is greater? Yes, 24.68 is greater here. Okay, so we will place this sign. Second example, 8.629 and 7.999. Here 8 and 7, these are whole number parts. So 8 is a whole number, so this one is the greater. But what about these? Here 42 is a whole number and here also 42 is a whole number. Decimal places are different. Here two decimal places and here are here is only one decimal place. So how to compare that? First we have to equalize the decimal places. In last video we have learned that how to equalize the decimal places. Now see, if we add zeros after the decimal place, their value would not be changed. In last video we have discussed about this. So now the equal number of decimals are there in both the decimal numbers. Now we can compare. So before comparing such types of decimal numbers, we have to equalize their decimal places. Now consider it is 4224 and it is 4230. Like whole numbers only we have to compare. Yes, we know that 4230 is greater than 4224. So we will replace this sign. It means 42.24 is smaller than 42.3. Like this we have to compare. Here also both the whole numbers are same, that is 98 and 98, but here 0.6 is given, means one place is given, and here 78, two places are given. So we will consider it is like this: 98.60 and 98.78. Now both are having equal decimal places. We can consider is 9860 and it is 9878. So which one is greater? 9878 is greater. That's why 98.6 is smaller than 98.78. Now only we have discussed about how to compare the decimal numbers. With that method only we can arrange them in ascending and descending order. So let us take one example. Example number 1, 12.11, 12.9, 12, 12.08. These numbers we have to arrange in ascending order. Okay, so before arranging in ascending order we have to know that whether they are having equal number of decimal places or not. If they are not having, then we have to make the equal number of decimal places, means we have to convert all these decimals into like decimals. So how to convert? Just count the largest number of decimal places. Okay, here two number of decimal places, here one, here is nothing, here are two. Okay, so there are two maximum number of decimal places, so we have to make the like decimals. Here one less decimal place is there, that's why we have to convert like this. Then 12 has no decimal place, we have to put two zeros, and here 12.08. Now only we have discussed that. Just consider these are nothing but now whole numbers. Okay, so we will consider it 1211, 1290, 1200, 1208. So in ascending order we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay, so which one is the smallest here? 1200, it means it is 12. Okay, then 1208 means it is 12.08. Okay, then 1211 means it is 12.11, and at last 1290 means that is 12.9. like this we have to rearrange them in ascending order, and the same method will be followed in descending orders. Next question, rearrange the decimals in descending order. The same method will be followed in descending order. So first we have to count the largest number of decimal places, that are here is one decimal place, here is nothing, here is means here are three decimal places, here are two decimal places. So the largest places are in this number, that are 3. So we have to put all the remaining decimal numbers as 3 decimal places. Okay, so here 36.1 would be 36.100, 36 would be 36.000, 36.008 will remain same, 36.240. Now all are having equal number of decimal places. Okay, now we shall arrange them in descending order. So what is descending order? To arrange the given numbers from greatest to smallest. So just consider now these are nothing but whole numbers. Okay, so it is 36,100, it is 36,000, it is 36,008, and it is 36,240. So which one is the greatest one? It is 36,240, means for that what was here 36.24. we are arranging according to the question. Okay, now after 36,240 it is 36,100, means it was 36.1, like this. Okay, after that 36,008 means it is nothing but 36.008. Okay, and at last means smallest one, that is 36,000, means it was 36. Okay, like this we have to rearrange the decimals in ascending and descending order. Okay, now let us start addition and subtraction of decimals. Dear friends, if you are thinking it's too much hurry, then you may pause the video or revise it, because I have to take more points in less time. Okay, please take care of this. Now let us see addition of decimals. Question number 1, add 1 28.76 plus 2.98. In such types of examples, just we have to count the number of decimal places. So in 28.76 there are two number of decimal places, and 2.98 there are also two number of decimal places. So we can add like this: 28.76, we have to write the decimal point below decimal point, and here two places are there, that's why we have to arrange them according to their places, and here 2 is given, it would be in the ones place. And now we will add them. 6 plus 8 14, carried 1, 8 plus 9 17, carried 1, 9 plus 2 11, carried 1 3. Like this we have to add. Okay, now here 42.689 plus 11.41. Now one place is remain here. This number has two decimal places and this number has three decimal places. So for the remaining place we have to add 0. Now the decimal places has been equalized, means both are now like decimals. Okay, so to add and subtract, the decimals must be of like decimals, means their type should be like decimal. 9 plus 0 9, 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 4 10, carried 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 and 4 plus 1 that is 5. So 54.099 is the sum. Okay, like this only we have to add. Let us take next examples. Example number 3, 49.268 plus 24. Here we have to arrange the addends according to their places. 24 is a whole number, so we should add is like this. 24 is nothing but 24.000. Okay, its value would not change. Like this we have to convert the two numbers in like decimals and then add or subtract. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 plus 0 is 2, 9 plus 4 13, carried 1, 5 plus 2 that is 7. Okay, dear friends, if you are thinking that it's too much hurry, then you may pause the video or revise it. Okay, because I have to complete more points in less time. Okay, so like this only. 98 is nothing but 98 point. How many zeros we have to add? 3 number of decimal places are here, that's why we have to add 3 zeros like this. Then plus 36.275, like this we have to arrange and we have to add. Okay, 8 plus 6 14, carried 1, 10 plus 3 13, like this we have to add. Okay, and the same rules will be followed in the subtraction of decimals. So let us see the examples of subtraction. Now let us see subtraction of decimals. Question number 1, subtract. Example number 1, 98.24 minus 26.13. Before subtracting we must have to check the equal number of decimal places, means the both decimal numbers should be like decimals. If they are not, then with the help of 0 we have to make them like decimals. Okay, 0 is hero in mathematics. 4 minus 3 that is 1, 2 minus 1 1, 8 minus 6 2, and 9 minus 2 that is 7. Here we will take the help of 0 to convert this decimal number as like decimals. Okay, so how many less number of decimal places are here? Two number of decimal places are less, because it has 3 decimal places and it has only 1 decimal place. So that's why we will write 0 here to make these both decimals as like decimals. Okay, so we can't subtract 8 from 0, we will take borrow from here. 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 7 2. Like our regular subtraction only, we have to take borrows and we have to subtract. 11 minus 2 9, 3 minus 3 0, and 6 minus 3 3. Like this it will be. Okay, let us take next example. Next example, 86 minus 23.484. Now 86 is a whole number. 86 is nothing but 86.000. I have taken 3 zeros because the decimal number has 3 decimal places. Now minus 23.484, like this we have to arrange. We can't subtract 4 from 0, so we will take borrow from here. It will become 9, it will become 9, it will become 10. 10 minus 4 that is 6, 9 minus 8 that is 1, 9 minus 4 that is 5, 5 minus 3 that is 2, and 8 minus 2 that is 6. Like this we have to subtract. Here 75.23 minus 25. 25 is nothing but 25.00. Okay, 3 minus 0 is 3, 2 minus 0 is 2, 5 minus 5 is 0, and 7 minus 2 is 5. Like this addition and subtraction will be happen. Okay, so dear friends, in this video we have discussed about only basic operations of decimals. In next video we will take more examples related with the fractions and the decimal fractions. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.